So I have an unboxing of some Beats Disney headphones I bought off Mercari. So we'll open the now. Here it is. Here is the Beats charger and a Samsung block, I believe. And here are the actual Beats themselves. Like that. Nice. Awesome. And they told me that it doesn't come with the original aux cord, but nice case for them. And here they are. A solid click. I'll definitely be cleaning them. Good little flexion. Here we are. So these Beats go for 200 brand new. I bought it for 75, just to due to all the padding and wear. And you know, to someone that might seem like these are garbage or whatever, just because the pads are worn in and all that good stuff. But if you know a thing or two, if you're good with your hands, you can always figure out a way to improve stuff. I bought off Amazon a pad kit replacement, and these are actually higher quality, better quality reading reviews than what Beats originally used. So I'm going to be replacing them, these colored ones, with some nice black ones, make sure they fit. I think they'll look a lot better too, more Beats-esque. But a little side-by-side comparison. Try to get them there. See there? Nice kit. So, and this is my first time replacing headphones to this extent, but it comes with off Amazon alcohol pad. So by simply ordering a $10 pad replacement kit off Amazon, I take these headphones that are essentially junked and sold for $75, and I could easily flip it once I replace these and sell it for $110. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this little puck that's included in the kit. Slowly work my way all around here. Alright, I'm gonna keep doing that. I'm gonna remove both the cups and show you guys what it looks like as soon as I get it situated. So this only took me about a minute off camera, and you can see I have to clean up all this black goo, so I'm gonna pick it all off the best I can, that adhesive, and then go over it with an alcohol pad. You can see here these guys are beat up. So here they are, pretty cleaned up. As you can see, the kit came with some baloney ones, so I had to use alcohol prep pads I had laying around. But I'm really happy with how they turned out. There's still a little adhesive over here if I kept working on it, which I probably will. I'll get the rest of them again perfect, and then these babies will go right on. I'm just gonna press it all down, take my time. There we go. So I've been testing these babies out. These babies are awesome. I love them. Look how clean, nice they look. I love these babies. They sound good. They work perfectly. I'm gonna keep testing them out. Be sure to comment down below if you have any questions. I reply to all comments. That's it for this video, guys. Deuces.